नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पायथागोरस आणि सिमिलॅरिटी या चॅप्टरवर चॅलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन बघणार आहोत. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if the diagonals of quadrilateral divide each other proportionately, then prove that it is trapezium. Okay. Next, this is the figure. ABCD is a trapezium. Now given ABCD is a quadrilateral, diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at the point E. AE upon EC is equals to BE upon DE. Okay, this is we have given. Now to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, आपल्याला ABCD हा काय दाखवायचा आहे तर तो trapezium दाखवायचा आहे. For this, I have the construction. Draw line EF parallel to DC and F is in between B and C. Therefore, in triangle BDC, okay, in the triangle BDC, EF is parallel to DC, and therefore by the basic proportionality theorem, what is that? BE upon ED is equals to BF upon FC. Okay, this is the basic property theorem. But we have given that B upon ED, B upon ED is equals to AE upon EC. Okay. And therefore, from these two ratio, which is the common one? That is the B upon ED, take a shatter common, which is the uncommon. That is the BF upon FC. BF upon FC is equals to AE upon EC. Okay. AE upon EC, AE upon EC is equals to BF upon FC. It means that in triangle ABC, हे दोन्ही ratio कसे आहेत the same. Therefore, EF is parallel to AB. It means that EF हा BC ला parallel आहे. आता EF हा AB ला parallel असणार आहे. And hence, AB is a parallel to DC. And therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. So, आपण ते prove करतो. See this the next. Now, in triangle ACB, what's happening? CE upon AE. CE upon AE is equals to CF upon BF by the invertendo, and therefore this EF is a parallel to AB, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now we have here EF is parallel to AB and EF is also parallel to DC, which is our construction. Okay, and hence AB is a parallel to DC. आणि कुठल्याही quadrilateral मध्ये जर दोन sides parallel असतील, and then it is a trapezium. Okay. Now the next question. Using BPT, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle and parallel to another side bisect the third side. Now see this here. Triangle MNS. Okay. What is the first? A line drawn through the midpoint of one side. K is a midpoint of MN, and line draw to the midpoint of one side and parallel to the another side. That is a KL is a parallel to NS. Then we want to prove that L is a midpoint of MS. Okay. Next, given in triangle MNS, K is the midpoint of side MN. Okay, and line KL is a parallel to NS. To prove that KL bisect MS. Okay. Now in triangle MNS, line KL is a parallel to NS, and therefore by BPT, what we have here? MK upon KN. Okay. Then ML upon LS. This is the by BPT. But we have given that K हा कसा आहे तो मिड पॉइंट आहे कोणाचा तर तो Mn चा. Therefore Mk upon Kn is equals. These are equal and therefore their ratio, the value of their ratio is 1. त्या दोघांची व्हॅल्यू कशी तर सेम आहे. Therefore Mk upon Kn is 1. Mk upon Kn is 1. Therefore Ml upon Ls, that is also 1. It means that KL bisect Ms and hence true. Okay, KL bisect Ms. Now the next. In figure, segment ED is parallel to segment QO. Segment DF is a parallel to segment OR. Then prove that segment EF is a parallel to segment QR. I will see the figure. Okay, ED is a parallel to QO. This ED is a parallel to QO. Segment DF is a parallel to segment OR. Then we want to prove that this EF is a parallel to QR. In triangle, to this in triangle POQ. What's happening? ED is a parallel to QO and therefore by BPT, PE upon EQ is equals to PD upon DO. This is the first one. What about the second? In triangle PRO, DF is parallel to OR and therefore PF upon FR is equals to PD upon DO. This is the second one. Okay. Now from these two, which is the common? PD upon DO and PD upon DO is common and therefore P upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. हे दोन्ही कशा असतील तर सेम असतील. That is these two ratio. PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. And therefore in triangle PQR by the converse of BPT, that is a EF, segment EF, this segment EF is a parallel to segment QR. Okay. Next is the question set. Segment AN and the segment CN are median of triangle ABC. See, this is the triangle ABC. Segment AN and the segment CN, these are the median of the triangle ABC. Angle B is equals to 90. Then prove that 4 times in bracket AN square plus CM square and that is equals to 5 times AC square. What is here? N is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of AB. I prove one by one. In triangle ABC first. Okay. What is that? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is by the Pythagoras. The next triangle आपण इथे consider करणार. ज्या triangle मध्ये आपल्याला काय आला पाहिजे? AN आला पाहिजे आणि CM या sides आपल्याला मिळाला पाहिजे. Therefore first we consider the triangle ABN and therefore AN square is equals to AB square plus BN square. आता आपल्याला AN, that is a BN is not the side of our triangle. Okay. And therefore we replace this BN by BC upon 2. Okay. Now आपण इथे BN च्या बद्दल काय लिहितो? BN is replaced by 1 upon 2 BC bracket square. And ते simplify करतो. Therefore AN square is equals to AB square plus 1 by 4 BC square. This is the first. Okay. Next multiply. ये simplify करना. Multiply on both side by 4. Therefore 4AN square is equals to 4 times AB square plus BC square. Okay. Yes. Now the next. Again we consider the another triangle triangle CBM. CBM. In this triangle, CM square is equals to BC square plus MB square. Okay. Therefore, CM square आपल्याला पाहिजे. Keep this same CM square. BC चालणार आहे आपल्याला. But instead of here BM, we replace AB upon 2. That is a 1 upon 2 AB bracket square. BM is replaced by. This is the BC square plus 1 by 4 AB square. Multiply again both sides by 4. Then you will have here, multiply both sides by 4 and adding second and third. Then we get here 4 times AN square. This is the 4 times AN square plus 4 times CM square is equal to 4 times AB square plus BC square plus 4 times BC square plus AB square. Okay. Now here the 4 times AB square, 1 time AB square, that will become 5 times AB square. BC square 1 time A, half 4 time A. If you add it, then you have the 5 times BC square. Take 5 as a common. Now from the triangle ABC, we have here AB square plus BC square, that is nothing but the AC square. And hence we replace here this AB square plus BC square by AC square, and hence 4 times AN square plus CM square is equals to 5 times AC square. And in this way, we have proved it. Now the next question. In triangle ABC, measure of angle C is equals to 90. Let BC is equals to A. BC is equals to A. That is a side opposite to angle A. CA is equals to B. Side opposite to angle B. AB is equals to C. Side opposite to angle C. Let B be the perpendicular from C to AB. B is a perpendicular from C to AB. Then prove that CP is equals to AB and 1 upon P square is equals to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. Now consider first triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2 AB into CD. 1 upon 2 AB into CD. CD is perpendicular to AB. म्हणजे आपल्याला याचा एरिया जर काढायचा असेल तर CD is the height and AB is the base. Okay. And therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2. AB. AB means what? C. And CD is a P. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now the next area of triangle आपल्याला असा पण काढता येईल. That is the AC is the base and BC is the height. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2 AC into BC. Now the next area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2. आपल्याला ह्या sides पण माहिती आहे. AC and BC, that is a B and A. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2 BA. Okay. And this is the expression 2. आता दोन्ही एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC पण त्या दोन वेगवेगळ्या साइड्स मध्ये आपल्याला घेतले. आपण वेगवेगळे हाइट्स आणि बेस कन्सिडर केले. Therefore 1 upon 2 CP is equals to 1 upon 2 BA. Okay. And therefore 1 upon 2 get cancelled and you will get CP is equals to AB. And this is the first part. जो आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. Now the next, we want to prove that 1 upon P square is equals to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. आता आपण या एक्सप्रेशन वरनं P ची व्हॅल्यू काढणार. Okay. From this expression, P is equals to AB upon किती? C. मग त्याचं स्क्वेअरिंग करणार ऑन बोथ साइड्स. P square is equals to A square B square upon C square. त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल करणार. 1 upon P square is equals to C square upon A square B square. Now we consider the triangle ABC by the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square means what? C square is equals to B square plus A square. This is the fifth one. Now substitute the value of this C square in this expression. C square म्हणजे काय? B square plus A square upon A square B square. तो स्प्लिट अप करता बी स्क्वेअर अपॉन ए स्क्वेअर into b square plus a square upon a square b square cut होणार, then you will get 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square, and hence it is a proved. Okay, now the next, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle at Q. QR is equals to B. Okay, QR is equals to B. A is equals to area of triangle PQR. If QN is perpendicular to PR, then prove that QN is equals to 2 into A into B upon in root of B raised to 4 plus 4A square. Okay, we want to find out the value of the QN. Area of the triangle ची value किती आहे? Area of triangle PQR is equals to A. Okay. तर QN आपल्याला कसा मिळू शकेल असे आपण दोन ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर करणार. ओके, QN हा PQR ला परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. फर्स्ट, A is equals to area of triangle PQR. Therefore, A is equals to 1 upon 2. Area of the triangle PQR जर आपल्याला कळायचं असेल तर this QR is the base and PQ is the height. Therefore, A is equals to 1 upon 2 B into PQ. Therefore, PQ is equals to 2A upon B. PQ is equals to 2A upon B. 2A upon B. Next, we consider the triangle PQR. PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. PQ किती आहे? तर 2A upon B, त्याचा स्क्वेअर 4A square upon B square plus B square. पुन्हा ते सिम्प्लिफाय करणार, B raised to 4 होणार, 4A square plus B raised to 4 upon B square. This is the taking the square root on both sides. Therefore, you will have PR square is equals to किती मिळणार आपल्याला? 4A square plus B raised to 4 upon B square. Taking the square root, then you will have here PR is equals to in root of 4A square upon B square plus B raised to 4. हे simplify केलं तर आपल्याला 4A square plus B raised to 4 upon B square चा square root किती येणार? तर B येणार तिथे. Now the next, by the similarity of right angles. Okay, what is the similarity? That is a triangle PQN is a similar to triangle PRQ, which is the biggest triangle. Okay, and therefore PQ upon PR is equals to QN upon RQ, and therefore QN is equals to आपल्याला QN ची value find out करायची. Therefore QN is equals to PQ into RQ. आपण PQ ची value find out केलेली आहे. Okay, PQ into RQ upon PR. What is the value of PQ? PQ is a 2A upon B. RQ, the value of RQ is B, and the value of PR, the value of the PR is in root of 4A square plus B raised to 4 upon B. आता पुन्हा हे simplify करणार. Okay, that is it. This BB will get cancelled. हा multiplied and reciprocal होणार इथे. That is a 2AB upon in root of 4A square plus B raised to 4. And hence, QN is equals to 2 times AB upon in root of B raised to 4 plus 4A square. Now the next. In the figure, each of the segment PA, QB, RC, SD perpendicular to line L. AB is equals to 6. This AB is equals to 6. BC is equals to 9. CD is equals to 12. And the sum PS is equals to 36. Determine PQ, QR, RS. Okay. Yeah. As the segment PQ is a parallel to QB, is a parallel to RC, is parallel to SD. Because they are perpendicular to same line. एकाच line ला perpendicular आहेत म्हणून या चारही all these 4 line segments are parallel. By the property of the intercept made by the parallel lines, what's happening? AB upon, that is PQ upon AB is equals to QR upon BC is equals to RS upon CD. Okay. Now substitute the value of AB, BC and CD, that is PQ upon 6, QR upon 9, RS upon 12. By the theorem on equal ratios, that is the value of each ratio is equals to sum of the numerators upon sum of the denominators. That is PQ upon 6 is equals to QR upon 9 is equals to RS upon 12. That is equals to PQ plus QR plus RS upon 6 plus 9 plus 10 is equals to PS. PQ plus QR plus RS, that is nothing but the PS. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 12, 27. But what is the PS? PS is 36. And if we simplify it, then we'll have the value of each ratio is equals to 4 upon 3. Now here PQ upon 6 is equals to 4 by 3. Therefore PQ is equals to 4 by 3 into 6. PQ upon 6 is equals to 4 by 3. Therefore PQ is equals to 6 divided multiplied. Therefore PQ is equals to 4 into 6 upon 3. Okay, and hence PQ is equals to 8. Simplify करना तो 2 1s are and 3 2s are 6. Next, QR upon 9 is equals to 4 by 3. Again, therefore QR is equals to 4 into 9 upon 3. पुन्हा ते simplify करना, and therefore QR is equals to 12. RS upon 12 is equals to 4 by 3, and therefore RS is equals to 4 into 12 upon 3. 3 1s are and 3 4s are 12. 4 into 4, 60. And in this way, we have the values. PQ is 8, QR is 12, RS is 60. Easy question. Now the next question. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 135. Prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square plus 4 times area of triangle ABC. Okay. Now we'll prove that. Okay. The first we have considered the angle ABC, and that's equals to 35. मग हा किती असेल? This angle must be 45 because these are the linear angles. Draw the AD perpendicular to BC. B is in between D and C. Measure of angle ABD plus ABC is equals to 180, and we can get the measure of angle ABD is equals to 45. Okay. Now we consider the triangle ADB. ADB upon triangle consider ADB. In this triangle, that is measure of this angle is also 45. Therefore, that triangle is its angles are 45, 45 or 90. Okay, and therefore their sides, that is AD. AD किती असेल 1 by root 2 AB. DB किती असेल 1 by root 2 AB. Okay, and therefore AD is equals to DB is equals to 1 upon root 2 AB. Means what? These two sides are equal. Now in triangle ADC, ADC by the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. हे सगळ्यात जास्त important. आपल्याला काय prove करायचं तर AC square. Okay. Now the AD square. Now AD in terms of AB आपण express करना. AD means what? 1 upon root 2 AB square. DC. DC हा पुन्हा in terms of आपल्याला BC मध्ये express करावा लागणार आहे. But what is the DC? DC means DB plus BC. Okay. आता हा expand करणार. याचा square केला 1 upon 2 AB square, DB square plus BC square 2 times BD into BC. Okay. 1 upon 2 AB square, no problem. And the next is DB square. Okay. Now see this here DB. DB is equals to 1 upon root 2 AB. Therefore, DB square is equals to AB upon 2. This is the second one. 1 upon 2 AB square plus 1 upon 2 AB square. Then overall, you will get here AB square. Okay. Next, BC square, keep this as it is. Now the 2 times AD, this is the AD, height of the triangle ABC, and the BC is the base of the triangle ABC. Therefore, 2 times AD into BC, that is nothing but the area of the triangle ABC. That is 1 upon 2 BC into AD. Now, it can be written as, okay, it can be written as 4 times area of triangle ABC is equals to 4 into 1 upon 2 BC into AD. That is 2 times AD into BC is nothing but the 4 times area of the triangle ABC. आपण the area of the triangle ABC इथे consider केलं. What is the area of triangle ABC? 1 upon 2 BC into AD. But we required here, that is 2 into, आपण जे इथे 2 ने multiply केलं, 2 into area of triangle ABC is equals to BC into AD. But we require here 2 times. Therefore, multiplying on both sides by again 2, then we will have here 4 times area of triangle ABC is equals to, that is 2 times BC into AD. 2 times BC into AD. And therefore, this is the value of 2 times BC into AD. 2 times BC into AD ची value किती आली? The 4 times area of triangle ABC. And we get here, that is the 4 times area of the triangle ABC. And hence, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square plus 4 times AB square. And in this way, we have proved it. And I had completed the challenging questions on similarity and Pythagoras. यापूर्वीचे देखील माझे 2 व्हिडिओ आहेत, ते तुम्ही बघू शकता. तर यानंतर आपण नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर कन्सिडर करणार आहोत, दॅट इज अ सर्कल. All the best. We'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.